Over 4,000 people were left stranded in a village in East China due to floods triggered by a typhoon. The mountain torrents led to roads in the village being blocked, while local residents and tourists had to be taken to safety after getting trapped by the water. Rocks and falling trees made it hard for villagers to escape the fast-flowing waters, as many cars were unable to drive along the roads. The tropical cyclone has killed at least 3 people, destroyed over 4,000 homes and damaged hundreds of thousands of crops. This latest typhoon is the third to hit China's eastern coast in the space of a week.